A lot of people think that personal branding is all about them and nothing else, but that's just not true. There are a lot of things you need to take into consideration when building a brand. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the most out of your online presence. Many people assume, and understandably so, that their personal brand is all about them. But there's somebody else who needs to be factored into the equation, and that's your target audience. You need to stay true to yourself and your values and your unique offering. But it's also important to initiate a two-way conversation. This is a give and take relationship. As much as you want your audience to know you, you must also know them. So when determining your target audience, remember that they should fall into at least one of these categories. People who will pay for your services, skills, or expertise. People who will tell others to pay for your services, skills, or expertise. And your supporters. And remember, if you try to appeal to everyone, you'll end up appealing to no one. So take the time to consider these questions about your target audience. First, who are they? Create a detailed description of your audience. You should take into consideration their demographics, such as their age, marital status, income, education, and employment. Also their geographic location and psychographics, which are their personality, values, opinions, attitudes, interests, and lifestyle. The second thing to note is, where will you find them? You see, once you understand what makes your audience tick, you can figure out where they are. For example, based on your research, which social media platforms does your target audience prefer? Third, consider what motivates them. What drives them? What are they afraid of? What do they want from you and your content? Fourth, think about how you can build a relationship with them. Identify the elements of your story that your audience will relate to. What kind of communications do they prefer? How can you speak to them so they feel heard? If you'd like more tips like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.